All right, guys, in this box we have the Blackwater Firearms Sentry 12. It's a 12 gauge pump action magazine fed shotgun. In the box we got the shotgun and a couple of mags. And here, the mag fed shotgun. And I guess we can start with some of the features. In the back here, it's got our plastic stock with, this has a little slot that you can put a traditional sling in there. We have flush cups that you can put the quick release sling. And then moving forward, we have our safety selector. It's an AR-15 style ambidextrous safety selector. Makes it real easy for anybody that runs an AR just to transition over to this. And the mag release button, just like an AR-15. Just push the button, mag drops out, stick it in, we're good to go. And right here we have the pump release. So if it's locked because you got one in the chamber, push this, open it up. Super easy. Mags, 5-round polymer magazine. And this whole receiver is one piece of aluminum with a Picatinny rail on the whole top section of this. You can mount any red dot sights or other accessories you want here, flashlight, and this has a smooth bore 18-inch barrel. And this thing is pretty easy to disassemble. It's just a rear takedown pin right here in the back. I haven't done this a ton of times, so let's see how it goes. It just comes apart like this. Unlock that a little bit. Bam. Flip it over. And that comes off. Ready to disassemble. Actually, let's go ahead and take the barrel off. Simple barrel nut, just hand tighten it on. And barrel comes off just like that. Easy to disassemble. Clean this thing out in the field. Putting it back on, locks in place. Hand tighten the barrel nut. And then from there we'll bring that bolt forward. Forward like that. All right, there we go. Take it apart, put it back together real quick. One cool thing about these mags is they'll fit in like an AR-10 style mag pouch. So here I have the high-speed gear tacos on my belt. There is a Sentry 12 mag in there, just like that. You can stick it in. Now, obviously, the high-speed gear tacos stretch to fit whatever, but this fits AR-10 style mag real easy, and that's super nice. If you have a chest rig or anything else that you need to do, you can just change out buckshot or slugs or whatever you want. Just throw it in your mag pouch. Super familiar and ready to roll. So I'm going to go and configure this with a light and a red dot, and we'll head to the range and see how this thing shoots at the range. See you in a minute. All right, we're here at the range with the Sentry 12. Just going to run this mag, see how she does. We can do this in one take, and here we go. One thing I love about these, the mag will fit right into a normal mag pouch. You just pull that thing out, lock it in, ready to go. Cool, Sentry 12 by Blackwater Firearms. Come on! Woo. Let me get